Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to contact Moonshot app support. So let's dive in. Now first off, go ahead and open your Moonshot app. And from here, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. If not yet, please go ahead and log into your account. Now on the home page, you want to click the cogwheel at the upper right corner of the screen. So let's click on that. And from here, you'll see the option that says Support Center. So let's go ahead and click on Support Center. And once you do that, you'll land on this page wherein you can get in touch with their contact support or app support. So you'll have the option here to send them a message or go to their help center. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to contact Moonshot app support in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.